Alright, let's quickly compare the specs of the Doogee V40 Pro with the Ulefone Armor 28 Ultra. I'd also like to let you guys know that Doogee would be releasing the V40, which is kind of like the standard version of the V40 Pro. I don't know when the V40 will be available, but it's coming very soon. It's most likely going to launch alongside the V40 Pro, before the end of the month. And once I get more details about the Doogee V40, I'll share with you guys. Anyway, let's quickly compare the specs of the V40 Pro with the Ulefone Armor 28 Ultra. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. So without further ado, let's dive in. So there we go, guys. Which of the two devices do you think is equipped with the best specs? Personally, it is the Ulefone Armor 28 Ultra. The 28 Ultra is going to be the most powerful 5G rugged phone, but as I mentioned in my previous videos, the Armor 28 Ultra has not been confirmed, so we don't know if it's going to be released or not. But according to online rumors and speculations, the device would likely launch before the end of the year, and if it does, then yes, the Armor 28 Ultra would be the most powerful 5G rugged phone. So there we go, guys. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.